Surprise.
Zoinks.
Why is it brown and crusting your ass on the knob?
No!
But wait, there's still hope. Shiny Shaft is here to save the day. Simply grasp your shiny shaft firmly and to stroke it up and down. And I'm supposed to be doing this as a knob. Got a bit too into it.
Like, let me try, man. Oh wow, that feels like totally cool.
Its no-slip handle prevents you from super deeply satisfied, regardless of how slimy your knob has. Whether it's or come, the off suction pads suck it right off your knob.
Slurp, slurp, slurp.
Slurp it, bitch. Get down on your knees and slurp it. That, and only if your knob is as clean as a baby's butt.
Can I see my family
Polish your
again?
knob in the bedroom. Polish your knob in the bathroom. You can even polish your knob outside.
Oh my god.
You could polish them not on the mystery wheel or the mystery
Get back to
machine.
it.
Oh, okay.
Say goodbye, slippery dicks, improper knob manipulation. And when you're did I shiny shaft? Way.
Now my doorknobs are so shiny, Scoops can see its own reflection. Oh, please. Like Zoinks, you can see ghosts in the reflection too.
And the shiny shaft,
Oh no. Oh
distant to all environmental conditions. Is your knob shriveled up cold weather, or is it dripping wet from the humidity in your mommy's race? Not a problem. The shiny shaft is designed to withstand all kinds of temperatures. Isn't it?
My knob doesn't always work right. Sometimes you gotta jerk off it.
Care to demonstrate, Shaggy, my good friend?
Like, sure.
Easy there, Shaggy. We've just polished that knob. Don't go too fast. Folks, we have a special limited time offer for you watching at home. Pick up the phone and call the number on your screen in the next 10 minutes, and you'll be able to receive not just one, but 2 shiny shaft knob polishers, but only if you order now.
Like, 2 for 1? Now I can double hand my knobs. Mystery totally solved.
But that's not all. Call now, and we'll also throw in the nut dusting my nan's dirty fannier. Are you tired of your peanuts and walnuts looking like dirty little beans?
What are you?
Simply dusting my nan's dirty fanny, those little beans thoroughly, with the nut dusting my nan's dirty fannier.
That nut dusting my nan's dirty fanny goes totally crazy.
But you gotta call now, otherwise I'll get you.
Phone, man.
I'll get ya.
Pick up the phone. Call me. Call.
They took Scooby away from me. You gotta pick up the phone or Scooby will die.
Who said you could speak?
Scooby got 8. Scooby totally got 8.
This is officially a ransom threat from the Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo will encounter not suck enough dick if you don't call now.
Call 1-800-347-6563.
I only question you.
That's 1-800-347-6563. Shipping and sales tax not included.